Hi friends! So today we're going to learn about comparing and contrasting two stories. Our class is going to be reading two different stories. At the end we are going to compare and contrast the two. We're going to see how are they alike and how are they different. So first we're going to watch a little video on what is comparing and contrasting.
Hello! Today we are going to learn about compare and contrast. Are you ready? What does it mean to compare? When we compare, we look to see how things are alike or the same. What does it mean to contrast? When we contrast, we look to see how things are not alike or different. When we compare two things, sometimes we use a graphic organizer called a Venn diagram. Things that are different go on the outside. Things that are the same go in the middle. Let's try it. Let's compare cats and dogs using a Venn diagram. Cats meow and dogs bark, but they both have fur. Can you think of some more things to add to our diagram? Great job, friends!
All right. So compare and contrast. When you compare something, you are telling how they are similar or alike. And when you contrast something, you are telling how they are different. So this here is a Venn diagram. On the outside area is where you would put their differences, and in the center is where you put how they are alike. We are also going to be using a Venn diagram just like this to compare the two stories. So some compare clue words are like, both, similar, also, same, to, alike, and as. Some contrast clue words are but, although, while, instead, yet, unlike, unless, and differ. So this is one of the stories that we're going to be reading called The Hat by Jan Brett. So look at the cover of this book. What do you notice? What clues does the cover of the story tell us about what the book is going to be about? So let's see. Where does the cover tell us that they are? Let's look into the picture and look at the surroundings and see. Let's look at the setting. Where are they? I see a barn back here, so could they be on a farm? What does that tell you about the animals? What kind of animals are these? Are these the kind of animals that you would notice in the jungle, or would you see them on a farm? And what about the season? What season is it? What does the picture tell us about what season it is? So these are all things I want you guys to be thinking about as we're listening to the stories. The second book that we're going to be reading is called The Mitten by Jan Brett. So again, what animals do we see here on the cover? What is the cover telling us about this story? Are these the kind of animals that you would see maybe at a park? I don't know. What about in the forest? So let's look at the cover again. And what season does it look like it is? What does the snow tell us? So what is the same? What is different? Let's look at both of the covers now. And I want you guys to think about what these stories are going to be about. Who are these stories going to be about? When we're done, we're going to compare and contrast the two.